As we can't be physically in school, my friends and I have missed each other so much. So we thought that it would be wonderful if we could prepare a small virtual performance for Valentine's Day. Here's a cover of Can't Help Falling in Love by the legendary Elvis Presley, presented by Alisha, Divya, Sanjita, Riona and myself, Amrita. Hope you enjoy it.